Front and back power takeout, or takeoff, rotating cabin, form factor is just mind blowing. Want to mock but lack the inventory? Well, there you go. Now, a lot of people do it digitally only these days. For that exact reason. You know, just Lego is expensive. And even beyond that, having an extensive part inventory, which is absolutely required for extensive mock making, just isn't a reality. Certainly not an easy reality to create. So being able to do it free on the web is a luxury that's necessary. Should fit, right? Oh, this is a damaged piece. Okay, I can still make it fit. Yeah. Is it Nichip or is it Nishop? Hello. I don't know if there's any Lego sets that are known for having good pieces for beginning a collection to make your own builds. Ooh. These days, that's rough. I forget which pronunciation I used first and which I used second. Nichop? Is that close enough to correct? That it's acceptable? If not, help me out. Can anybody in chat help with that question, though? That one, Nichop. Okay. Well, hello and welcome. Because I know the classic sets, people like to, you know, default to recommending the classic sets because they are literally just parts packs. But the reality is, if you get a classic set, there's not a whole lot of stuff that you can make with it other than really, really, really small buildings and vehicles that are very, very, very colorful. By which I mean random colors. Starting a parts collection. Can anyone else help with that? Depends what you want to build. Classic sets have a lot of parts, but lots of different colors. There's definitely a ton of stuff that you can do with those if you're willing to accept that everything's going to look like it's created from unicorn poop. Nothing against unicorn poop. I'm just saying. It's not for everyone. Modular buildings. Expensive, but good. Friends sets. We like Friends. That's an excellent follow-up, though. What type of things do you want to build? All collections from the price for a set in a loose bin. Fair. Houses. Yep, that's the toughest one. I wish I had a good, easy answer for you. The creator of 3-in-1s the small Creator 3-in-1 sets that are like $30 to $40. I think are decent for starting that, but you definitely need to get multiple of them. But I think to start with, without a huge capital outlay, those at least give you something that you can work with. Sets with nice windows. Yeah, I think the Creator 3-in-1s, like right now is the Noodle Shop. They do one every, I think maybe 2 per year or so. I think those are a decent starting point. Not perfect, but at least they do have windows and doors and some regular bricks. Problem with Lego these days is that so many sets are made with so many specialized parts. It's difficult to get started. Like you can get a building, but half of the pieces will be built on the side, attached in strange and creative ways, which is cool and all, fascinating to see, but doesn't help you with making your own stuff. Small sets have the color scheme that you like. Augment with bricks and pieces. Yeah, or pick a brick, yeah. Gurai set, yeah, is a really nice one. Also, some of those sets like the Central Perk Friends TV show is at least a good parts pack for structure building. Or like the Noodle Shop's logo, yeah. So it's really ironic how little focus Lego puts on supporting creativity with their products. They have the whole Rebuild the World campaign, but most of their sets don't try to help you to do custom stuff. The product line that's best aligned towards creativity is Dots. Minecraft, if you want generic bricks and plates. That's a good one. Look for the colors that you want.